Are you looking to expand your knowledge and get ahead in the tech world? Look no further than RP Guru Tech Talk. Our channel offers a wide range of content, from tech tips and solutions to in-depth discussions on technology career paths. We have something for everyone, with easy-to-follow tutorials and step-by-step guides that will help you stay up to date with the latest in tech. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, our content is tailored to meet your needs. With videos available in English, Kannada, and Hindi, there's something for everyone. Our language-specific playlists make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, and our community of tech enthusiasts is always ready to help you out. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. With RP Guru Tech Talk, you'll be able to take your tech skills to the next level and achieve your goals in the fast-paced world of technology.
Let's see now. So I'm going to talk about an expired warranty. So what I'm going to do is, what I did was on Google or any search engine, I went there and did a search for all these Cliparts which were free. Didn't have any copyright issues. So and downloaded quite a bit of them and kept it in my folder, which I could use while I'm editing this video. So I created a folder called Clipart, and if you see, I have all these Cliparts, which you saw. Some of them you saw already added to my video. So now let's see. So I'm going to talk about how the laptop company said that my warranty is expired. So maybe this is the right time to plug in that expired image, right? So image, like the warranty expired image. So I go here. So let's go to where I put those Cliparts. And you can leave the defaults as it is. So what it does is it puts it above. We don't have to keep it there. We can just pull it down. Now we're back. So if you see, it's put it across the video. That's not what I wanted. So I'll just pull it back a bit. Let's see. I mean, where I need to cut off that the image. So one more thing is, now it's displayed on the full screen. So what I need to do is go back here and actually make it smaller and keep it at the place where it is visible, but not blocking me from my walking through the steps, right? So I kept it there. So I'm ready. So now I start playing, keep playing, and see where I need to make sure that the image is not there anymore at some point. So let's see.
Oh, sorry, your laptop warranty is expired. What we could do is you could ship the laptop well at your own cost. We can take a look at it and we will be charging you to look at it.
That's a good point, that the image dropped off. Maybe I'm still talking about the expired, so let's keep it. Let's pull the image enough to be there till this point. So let's see. Let's bring it back a bit. Play.
We will be charging you to look at it. Broken. And send it back. I mean, you can charge additional fee for fixing any of the stuff and time spent to fix the stuff. So this just didn't make sense.
So this is where I feel frustrated with what they told me. So maybe I should add an image which reflects my frustration, right?
Follow the same process for adding more visuals or clip arts for the remaining part of the video. So I'm going to fast forward that so that you don't have to sit through the whole 30 minutes of time I took to get that ready. Enjoy the remaining part of this updates I'm making and I'll catch up again once I complete the addition of all the clip arts. Thank you.
Interested in what you're saying, because the visuals kind of reflect your thought process and keep them occupied and willing to watch the rest of the video. Once you're done, you could go, and I'm not still done with this, I'll clean this up and upload it on YouTube. Just for your reference, once you're done with this kind of adding visuals, you just go to projects, export project, web, and then to MP4 and tell where you want to save it. I save it in this folder I have, YouTube videos. And then once you're set with the name and everything, click on export. So this is the way you would enhance your videos, make it watchable, more watchable than what it was before, and make it fun for the viewers to enjoy your video. Thanks for watching.